Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to quickly customize HubSpot meeting reminders. This feature ensures your attendees receive timely notifications before scheduled meetings, reducing no-shows and keeping everyone prepared. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will bring you to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your sales and marketing tools. Next, direct your attention to the left navigation bar and hover your mouse over the Sales tab. This will expand a menu revealing various sales-related features that HubSpot offers. From this expanded menu, click on Meeting Scheduler. This is where all your scheduled meetings and meeting links are organized, making it easy to manage your appointments in one centralized location. Once you're in the Meeting Scheduler section, browse through your list of meetings and locate the specific meeting you want to customize. Hover your mouse over that meeting and you'll notice an Edit option appears. Click on it to proceed. This takes you into the detailed settings for that particular meeting, where you can adjust various parameters to suit your needs. You'll now be directed to the Meeting Details page. Look at the top menu where you'll find several tabs for different settings. Click on the Automation tab. This is where HubSpot allows you to automate various aspects of your meeting workflow, including reminders that get sent to participants. Within the Automation section, scroll down until you find the Pre-Meeting Reminder option. Toggle this setting on. Once activated, a scheduled reminder menu will expand, presenting you with different timing options. Here you can choose when you want your attendees to receive their reminder, whether it's an hour before, a day before, or any other time frame that suits your preference. Select the option that works best for your meeting type and audience. After you've adjusted your reminder settings to your liking, look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see a Save button. Click this to confirm and apply your changes. Your meeting reminder is now configured and will automatically send to participants at your chosen time before each scheduled meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.